All right, real talk. If you're running a YouTube channel or trying to make money online, you're probably stuck doing everything yourself. Research, emails, product sourcing, planning, it eats up your entire day. So today, I'm testing something called Accio Work, and I'm going to show you how I use it to actually make money and automate my workflow. And not just theory. We're going to plan a real pool cleaning robot video for Supercar Street Racing and let this thing do all the heavy lifting. Most AI tools, they give you ideas. Accio Work actually executes. It's basically an AI team that can run business tasks like product research, supplier outreach, content creation, marketing, and so instead of me doing everything manually, I'm going to build a system that runs this for me. All right, here's my goal. I want to create a profitable YouTube video about a pool cleaning robot. So first, I need the right kind of help. Accio Work provides these agents to work together, so I bring them into a team. I need them to handle tasks like product researcher and content strategist, creating my agents live. I'm going into agents and then new agent, and I'll create a YouTube product and content agent. Now its role is going to be a product researcher and a content strategist. And its goal? Finding trending products and turning them into monetized videos. Now I'm going to give it the ability using skills. I'm turning on content generation, e-commerce research, and marketing. So now it's not just answering questions, it can actually execute business tasks. Now, one agent isn't enough. I want a system. I click Create Team, and now I've got a team lead that manages everything, a research agent that finds products, a writer agent that builds scripts, a marketing agent that does monetization and outreach, and now they can work together automatically, and I've got my first AI teammate. As a YouTuber, I'm constantly doing repetitive tasks, reaching out to sponsors, researching video ideas, checking competitors, collecting data and insights, and manually doing all of that. Instead of doing all of that manually, I can click connectors and link tools like email, browser, messaging platforms, and once connected, my AI agents can send sponsorship outreach emails automatically, research trending topics and competitors, and gather real-time web data from the internet. And then it can notify me with updates. So rather than just spending hours on admin work, Accio Work can handle the busy work in the background while I focus on creating videos. Now, channels is one of the most practical features for creators. As a YouTuber, I'm not always sitting at my computer. I could be filming, editing, traveling, or just away from my desk. And that's why I set up a channel like Telegram with Accio Work. Once it's connected, my AI agents can send me updates directly to my phone. For example, I can check whether sponsorship emails have been sent, review research results for new video ideas, get updates on competitor analysis, and reply to my agents from Telegram. So even when I'm away from my computer, I can monitor and manage my AI team right from my phone. Let's say I want to land more sponsorships for my YouTube channel. First, I ask Accio Work to find brands that match my niche and my audience. To let my AI agents do the work, I open connectors and connect. I do email so they can send outreach messages, browser so they can research brands and collect contact information. Now my agents can work automatically. They can find relevant sponsors, gather contact details, send personalized outreach emails, track responses, but I'm not always at my computer, so I set up a channel and connect Telegram. And now my agents can send updates directly to my phone, such as 10 sponsorship emails sent, 3 brands replied, a new partnership opportunity is ready for review, and I can check the updates and respond from Telegram without even opening my laptop. So instead of spending hours on outreach and follow-ups, Accio Work handles the entire process while I focus on creating videos. That's what I like to do best. Now that Accio Work has helped me find sponsors, I wanted to plan my next YouTube video as well. So I ask, create a complete YouTube video plan including title ideas, a script outline, and monetization opportunities. And within seconds, it gives me multiple clickable title ideas, hook suggestions for the first 10 seconds of the video, a full video structure, affiliate product recommendations, sponsorship angles that fit the topic, and this is incredibly useful because I'm not just getting content ideas, I'm getting a complete strategy for what video to make, how to structure it, how to monetize it, and normally this would take me hours of brainstorming and research. With Accio work, it's done in minutes. Now, here's where this becomes a real business tool. I tell it, find suppliers for this product and generate outreach emails. Now it's identifying suppliers, writing personalized outreach emails, structuring follow-ups. So now, instead of me chasing brands, the system is already setting up partnership opportunities. And that's how you actually make money with this. Now, I don't want to keep doing this manually. So I go to Scheduled Tasks, create a weekly task to find trending pool tech and generate video ideas and supplier leads. I set a schedule and then I'm done. Now every week, my AI team is generating new video ideas, new products, new monetization opportunities automatically. This is the part people overlook. This just isn't saving time. This is increasing output, increasing revenue opportunities, scaling without hiring. So you're basically building a one-person business system. How cool is that? Here's my honest take. Most AI tools stop at ideas. Accio work actually executes. And if you want to try it, check out the link in my description. You'll get bonus credits when you sign up. And if you're trying to grow a channel like me or make money online, this is easily one of the most powerful tools I have tested. And thanks for watching Supercar Street Racing, and don't forget about Second Car Street Racing, our other channel with things not quite meant for the main channel. Thanks for watching, and I've got to get out of here. I'll see you on the next one.